What is up, guys? Tanner with another video. Hope you're all having a great day. And today I'm going to be revealing to you guys my first ever dropshipping store. So this store I started almost a year ago now with one of my business partners, Aaron. We started this company as a dropshipping store because we were influencers and we thought that we could make more money off of a dropshipping store. So we created this store. I'm going to be showing you guys the website. And I'm going to be talking about the pros and cons of this store and what I learned from it, because we made a lot of mistakes. We did a couple things right. We were influencers. We had big accounts, so we were able to leverage that in order to make sales. But really, we didn't know what we were doing in order to sustain this company and keep the sales rolling in. All we knew how to do was force traffic with our Instagram accounts. So in this store, I'm going to be showing you guys every single thing that you might want to know. The website, I might go into some orders and show you guys. We ended up actually doing in-house orders after a while. We stopped drop shipping. We thought we were going to keep it going for a while, and then we bought a bunch of inventories right over there, and then it ended up dying out, and now I'm stuck here with all this inventory. And I've talked about this product in a couple of videos, but I've never actually revealed the store and told you guys the whole thing on what I did right and what I did wrong. So in this video, you're going to learn some good things of when you're starting out that you need to do, but also some things that we did wrong as a brand and things that you don't need to do whenever you're starting your dropshipping store. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Can't wait to show you guys and get into this. So let's get on my computer here and show you guys the website. Okay, so if you are a true subscriber and you've been watching my videos for a while, you know that this is my first ever dropshipping store. I tried to keep it going, but it didn't really work. I've changed a few things here and there when I tried to resell the stock and inventory that I had. But anyways, this is the store, Bubble Mask Co. I mean, I literally put it up within about 24 hours of the idea of us having it. And this is basically the structure. If you're in my course, you've seen this structure before of the homepage. That's something that I have learned and used myself. But this website definitely needs some work. There's a lot of things that I wish I would have not done, and things I also wish I did do. We're here on the home page, and you see at the top the bar says exclusive December sale live now. So I guess in December I tried to resell some things and do free shipping. But guys, when I first started this store, it was, I believe, May or June. I'm not sure exactly the exact date, but it was not free plus shipping. I was selling it for $15.99, and it cost us about $5.81 when we were drop shipping the product from AliExpress. And then we ended up buying inventory for $1.92 a piece. We really raised our margins, but it was a lot more work to actually ship everything, put in packages, take it to the post office, and then when it died out, we're just stuck here with inventory. And so right off the bat here, the logo, I literally made this on my phone. It took probably 10 minutes, although it looks alright because it's Bubble Mask Co. and you see it's sort of like a bubble font. But honestly, it would look a lot better if it was smaller, but as you guys can see, this website, this is the very basic theme, like the first theme you can get on Shopify. Super easy. We didn't really customize it. But I would say the biggest thing I see right off the bat here that we really messed up with is the pictures. We were using other people's faces for our marketing tactics, and definitely down the road, that's something that I learned, is that you can get in a lot of trouble for that, for using other people's faces, because you can be sued whether it's for copyright for the picture or, using someone's face and they didn't give you permission to be on their website. So that is definitely something that we didn't look into when we first started, and this website is still up. I'm not sure why. I'll probably shut it down after this video because there's no need for it to be up. It's not like we're forcing this to sell them. But anyways, we only sold this store with one product for the first ever launch. We launched it, we had this store, we had one product, this bubble clay mask. So basically you put it on your face and it bubbles up and it's supposed to clean your face when you wash it off, and really it was just like a trendy thing that girls, some guys wanted, and we were able to market that. So what we would do is we paid some people to use the product and then make a video about it, and then we would use that video for marketing and making ads on Instagram with influencers, because my partner Aaron, he has 3 million followers. I had like 500,000 at the time, and we were able to leverage our accounts and make several $100s a day, and we thought we were doing well with that until we bought inventory, and then we realized that our audience is just saturated. We're not just going to make money off of that. So that's when we were doing the viral video method. After that, we were getting 1 million views sometimes on our ads on Instagram, and we were making a decent amount of money. I mean, compared to now, all the things that I'm doing, it wasn't much at all, but definitely from the start it was good. I think it did like 10 to 20 grand in the first month. But as you can see here, one product only. But really, this is a basic website. If I would have done anything from the start, I would have definitely added more products. So yeah, I don't know what that is. I guess I was messing around with it in the past, but I haven't looked at this website in a long time. But we only had one product. This is basically all it was. It had this with the description, and we had the shipping times down here because we ship in-house, so it's not the drop shipping times. That's one way you can avoid the times if you want to buy inventory and ship it out, but it's definitely a risky move. Scroll down here, testimonials. We also use this code MASKOFF for 10% off. We used that as a big marketing point when we were actually marketing our store on Instagram. We would have in our bio, go to our website to get a 10% off discount code. So people would go there, they would be like, oh, where's the discount code? And they would have to scroll down a little bit on the website to see, you know, what the discount code is. And we were actually, 90% of our sales actually use that code, and it was $15.99, so I don't know the exact numbers of what that brings it down to, 10%. But, you know, super basic website. We didn't do too much with it. Using our products, we showed sort of how to use it, and we had a contact page. So, super basic website. There's definitely a few things that I wish we did when we launched this company, because we drove so much traffic to the store, and I believe we could have made a lot more money than we actually did when we launched it. So now I want to talk about those things. The first thing, we only had one product. I mean, that was a hot product. What I do now with my stores is I find one hot product and then have other products around it. So I didn't have any other related items on there. If I was to upsell these other products and downsell these products, I would have made a lot more money, I believe, basing related items on the store and selling them. So that's something I definitely regret not doing. Second thing, like I said, the pictures of using other people's faces, that's definitely something to avoid. I'll be careful with that unless you are the person, or you know the person, or you have permission from the person that you're using the image on. I would make this logo smaller up here. Also, we only used Instagram ads as influencers. We didn't do any Facebook ads at all. It was all Instagram. And so that leads to my next point. We didn't have any overall marketing plan. We were just sort of, you know, trying this. And I mean, everybody has to go through that, where you try it, you see what works, what doesn't. But really, we had no marketing plan. If you were starting a dropshipping store, make sure you have some kind of marketing plan. So I think I'm gonna make a video on that, how to make a marketing plan for your dropshipping store when you first start, so you don't lose everything or not make as much as you could. Also, no email marketing. I believe we captured emails, but we didn't utilize that. We didn't utilize a Facebook pixel on our store. We didn't do anything with the emails. So we're just holding all this, no email marketing at all. We're missing out on a ton of money with email marketing and Facebook ads, retargeting people with our Facebook pixel. So we definitely missed out money on there. And really just overall, we didn't really have a plan for what we wanted to do. And that's how it died out. So we were basing everything on Instagram, and then eventually that market just got saturated with this product and we weren't able to sell it anymore. So everything comes to an end eventually, but you know, those are just some of the things that I wish we would have done. So as you can see here, there is 2 hours, 11 minutes, and that is just a Shopify app that is used for scarcity to get more people to buy it. And we got a lot of sales. So actually, I'm gonna go here into the admin side of things and show you guys what's happening. So I was gonna log in here and show you guys the back end of everything, but I can't remember my login right now, and I'll have to go through some emails and stuff to figure that out. But I'll definitely do that eventually, show you guys the back end of things. But I believe it did about 20 grand in sales the first month, and then it completely died out. I mean, I've told stories of this store before of, you know, how everything got started, but really, you know, you learn from your mistakes. That's what I did. So that's why I'm here to share with you guys some things that I wish I did. So the way I found this product, I honestly did not find this product. My partner did, Aaron. So when we started the store, he was my business partner with this drop shipping thing. And, you know, we really both didn't have an idea of what we were doing. We didn't buy any courses or anything like that. We had just sort of, you know, seen some other stores and we're like, hey, why don't we do it? So that's why we created this store. And honestly, we learned a lot of things about dropshipping, about e-commerce overall, because we started to buy inventory. We learned a lot about influencer marketing. So I'm really knowledgeable in influencer marketing, but I'm actually working on some Facebook ads videos for you guys with a friend of mine. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. I know Facebook ads isn't my strong suit, so I've never really made that many Facebook ads videos because I don't want to put out false information that won't really help you guys. I mean, I know the basics of how you set up some ads and stuff, but with retargeting, but I don't really know, you know, the logistics and every single detail and things that can help you the most. I'm still learning as a person. I know I've said that when I started my YouTube channel. I'm still learning about Facebook ads, and honestly, I still am. I've came to the point where it's somewhat profitable, but definitely not where I want to be with my Facebook ads. So it's definitely something I'm working on and something you guys should be working on too. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, just reviewing this store. My first ever store gives you a little bit of insight on the do's and don'ts of your first ever dropshipping store. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.